flowing.
Staccato.
Chaos.
Lyrical.
Slowing down.
Stillness.
Oh.
Okay, so the 5 rhythms can be practiced with one particular body part or parts, or the whole body.
The whole body. And on Saturday, that's our emphasis really for this first Ecstatic Soul session. We're going back to basics, back to the body. This is a meditation practice, and our tools are our body parts, a way to find ourselves in presence.
Yeah, so Happy New Year. It's 2019. This Saturday we're with the theme of renew, starting again and bringing back your attention to your body as a dancer, as a practitioner of the 5 rhythms. We're really welcoming in absolute beginners and really experienced dancers who really want to take it to the next level, take it deeper. We're really excited. We've been here spending time cooking up, dreaming what's in store. So yeah, really excited. Body, breath, movement, the rhythm, let the rhythm in.
Yeah, and it's really going to be all about our attention and our awareness. This is a meditation practice, and what makes the 5 rhythms a meditation practice is that we bring our attention and our awareness into action, all infused by the breath.
Beautiful, yeah. Let's dance.
So we're looking forward to it.
Yeah.
We've got a slight change of plan on timing we wanted to tell you about. So just for this session, it's going to be 1 till 6. So not 12 till 5. We've had to tweak our plans slightly to accommodate the church in the morning. So 1 till 6, 5 hours, 5 rhythms.
Tea break in the middle.
Yeah. Plenty of time. Go at your own pace.
Exactly.
And we'll be there. We really hope you join us for this first one to renew your practice, whether you've started already or not, whether you're just kind of rolling on through or whether you just want to begin.
Yeah, exactly.
Come and dance with us.
Come join us Saturday. There's already there's a small group booked on already. Please come, please join us. Contact Margarita, info below.
Sure.
See you Saturday.
See you then. Let's dance.
Let's dance.
Sure.